how to make $96 per day using Google in 2020. So this is going to be worldwide. It's going to be free. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. All right. So I'm going to show you how to make $3,000 per month from Google. So how did I arrive at the $96? If you divide 31 by 3,000, that's what you're going to be getting. You will receive $96 using this simple method. And I know people are already using this because I'm doing it. I've started last year and I wanted to make sure it's actually working first before I even make a video and talk about it. So this is going to be some simple method. I'm going to show you how you can make a full-time income using this simple strategy, right? You also going to know that this doesn't require any money. So it is absolutely free to set up, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So this can be done anywhere. It can be worldwide, like anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter if you're over there in Africa, you're from Indonesia, you're from India, you're from Jamaica. Doesn't matter if you're from the US or Canada. Anywhere in the world or the UK, I don't care. This method is gonna work for you. You need absolutely no experience, because here's why. After this video, you'll know exactly what to do. So don't try to skip ahead or try to fast forward, because if you don't follow this step by step, you're gonna miss out on the most important information, and then you're gonna say it didn't work for you. So don't try to skip. So there are tons of people making 6 figures using this method, 6 figures or more per month. People are making 6 figures per month. Some people are making 6 figures per year and beyond that. So it is possible, and I'm gonna share with you how you could do this. So stay till the end of the video, because I'm gonna give you a free tool that you can use so you can maximize your results as well. So we're gonna jump into the video and we're gonna get started right now, all right? So now we're on Google, and what we need to do, we need to get to work immediately. So we need to find businesses, and I'm gonna show you how this is done. So for example, you can go from state to state. Let's say you wanna go with Florida, all right? So we go with Florida, we search for Florida, and after we search for Florida, the next thing we wanna do is find some business places. Now, there's a lot of businesses around the area that are looking for people like you and me to do business for them. Now, you know that these people, they go to work. They didn't go to school for marketing. They didn't go to school to set up websites. They didn't know how to do these things. So they're looking for people like you and I, which is called freelancers, to fill their needs. So if you can present something to them that makes sense, they will want to do business with you. Pretty simple. So we go to Florida, and let's say we go to Florida dentists, because dentists, chiropractors, all right, we can even go to chiropractor if you want. Now, if you look on here, you see most of these places are closed by the time shooting this video, of course. All right, so if you scroll down here, what we can do, we can start to open some new tabs. Open this one. We're gonna open this one. We'll open this one. So we just open up a few of them, all right? Open up a few, and then it's loading. The websites are loading. We can look at the different websites, and we could see. Now, if you haven't liked my video yet, like, subscribe, become a part of the family, because I'm gonna introduce to you the tool that we're gonna use. So the tool that we're gonna be using, to find the tool, it's pretty simple. You could just, let me just move this down here. You can go to, the 3 dots on Google Chrome. You must have Google Chrome. So if you don't have Google Chrome, download it and put it on your computer or wherever, right? So once you come down here, you click on where it says more tools. You head on over to extension. And once you go on extension, you'll see all the different things. Now, you click on where it says extension, and you're gonna scroll down here where it says open Chrome Web Store. So you click it, it's gonna open it. Now what we need to search for, we need to search for Facebook Helper. So we look for Facebook Helper. Once we look for Facebook Helper, okay, let me move this out of the way. Let me just minimize this, make it small. There we go, and put it right here. So here, this one you want, the Facebook helper, add this to your Chrome. Add extension. And once you add the extension, you should see this up here, right? This is going to be the Chrome helper. Now, what we're going to be doing, we're going to go back to the specific websites that we just opened, and we're going to see if they have a pixel helper on here. So if you click on this, this should show green. So that means no pixels found. Ad and tracking blocker can prevent that. So if you look on this particular website, right, we can add location. Let me just refresh just to make sure. Click on here, Facebook helper. Likewise. Okay, so if you look on this, right, if you look here, this page, they have a Facebook helper. So you really don't need this. You don't need to call them or anything because they have a Facebook helper. If you look on this one, if you refresh, right, do you see? Okay, so this one has a Facebook helper as well. Come over here. Let me click refresh. See if this one has a Facebook helper. Okay, boom. This one don't have a Facebook helper. So this is a good place that we can reach out. So if you click on here, there's absolutely no Facebook helper. So what I would do, I would start to take notes and start writing things down, right? Write things down on here and make sure. So we'll just delete this one. We'll delete this one. So we have one, right? Let's see. This probably have because it's asking for a location. All right, if I refresh, I bet they have Facebook helper on here. There we go, boom. So they have a Facebook helper. So you see all the websites that have Facebook helper. So you wanna go through here, click on this one. Let me just back up for a little bit. I'm gonna open up a new tab, all right? Come down here, open up a new tab. So this is open. Let's see if they have Facebook helper. No, there's no Facebook helper. This one in here, Facebook helper, good. So what this Facebook helper does, it tracks Pixel, and what Pixel does, Pixel tracks people who visit websites. So once people land on your website, guess what? You can then retarget those people through Facebook, and then you can immediately set them up. So we have 3 places. So we have 1, we have 2, and we have 3. So let's say 3, we're gonna work things out with them. Call them up, let them know. You can say, you can call them, you can send them an email and say, hey, I've noticed, I'm an agency and I've noticed that you don't have a Facebook pixel on your website. And you don't even have to say agency. You could say, listen, I'm a freelancer and I always check people's websites to make sure that they're not losing visitors, because these 3 websites, they're losing a lot of potential customers because every time somebody go on here and they look, they leave. Then if they would have a pixel install on here, guess what? That company can retarget those people. So you can find out exactly who created their website, how did they build the website? Did they use Wix? Did they use all that type of stuff? And then you can install it. So I'm going to show you where to find the pixels. I'm going to show you where to find the pixels. So hang on 1 second. All right. So now I'm in the back of my Facebook. In order for you to get here, you have to have a business manager account on Facebook. So you could just head on over to Google, right? You could just head to Google. So yeah, you can just head on over to Google, right? Head to Google right here. Just go to Google. All right, let me see. Google.com. And you can go to Business Manager Facebook. Or you can go to Facebook Business Manager. Either one. This is what you're going to do. You're going to click on here. And it should take you directly to your Business Manager. So if you don't have one, you could create one. It's really simple. It's easy. As soon as you create it, what you could do, you can come over to the Pixel section. So you can click on where it says events, and you will see all this. So just come down to events manager. You can click on Pixel and it will just take you. I have, 3 pixels on this account. I have lots of different ads account as well. So it doesn't matter. You could set this up. All right. So once you do that, to install the pixel on a particular website. So let's say you go on, you go watch a video on YouTube, how to install pixel on WordPress or wherever it is. Now, in order for you to get the pixel, all you have to do is you could just come down here where it says add new source. You can click on Facebook pixel. I'm going to click on Facebook pixel. You can create a pixel. Once you create the pixel, okay? So once you create the pixel, you can then click on details. Once you click on the details tab, it then will say, okay, add a pixel, right? So if you want to set up the pixel, click on where it says set up, click on install pixel. Once you install the pixel, you can go on manually add pixel to website. So whatever website, maybe they want to give you access to that, right? Or maybe they know how to do it. It doesn't matter. So then you could click on here. Well, majority of the time they don't know how to do it. You click on here and you install your pixel. You just click here. Once you click it, then boom, you add it to the website. You test it and make sure everything is good. So you see one of my pixel. It tells you when people buy things, when people visit my page, all that type of stuff. You have to capture these things. So this is where, right, you retarget and you promote to your actual customers. So this is what the big guys are not telling you. They're not telling you these things. So you got to retarget. If you got people going to your website, you got to retarget. So that's why those dentists or chiropractors or whatever business place, they're missing out a lot. You don't have to target dentists, but you can target other business people. Look at their website and say, you know, you're missing out on a lot of traffic and I can add your pixel. You can charge somebody $96 to do that because most of these people, they go to school for their profession. They don't have time for these things. So we as freelancers, we could capitalize on this, and you cannot run out of people because there's business everywhere. So I'm going to show you how to create an ad where you're going to retarget those people. So you can tell them, I can set up your pixel, I can retarget you, retarget your customers. They probably don't know, right? So if you like the video so far, you like the value, you know, let me know in the comments. Make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family, and let me know. So let's say we want to, you know, run traffic, right? So run traffic, that's what we need. We're going to go straight into traffic. And you could go with, you know, you could go with dentist traffic, or whatever business you want to do. Now, here's the thing. They can give you access to their Facebook because they can add you as a advertiser. So you're not spending any money on this. They're going to be doing all the spending. So you come on here, you do this. All right, you can go with all because you never know who's visiting the website. You click on the website tab. Once you click on the website, right, you want to make sure you create a custom audience, do the retargeting, right? Retargeting for people who visit the actual website. So you can create like a lookalike custom audience for those people. So just leave it broad, right? Detailed targeting people who visit the website. You could change that. Placements. You can do like the news feed if you want. You can target them on Instagram if you want. So you can go with Instagram and Facebook. Once you do that, you scroll down here, you're looking for link clicks, right? Because they already visit the website. They already know who they want. And they already know what they want. And you can come here and you can put like $5. So you can it depends on the customer's budget. Whatever Mr. Customer says, you say, Mr. Customer, here's the thing. I can do this for you. And this is how much it's going to be. So even if you don't want to, you know, they could pay you $96 a day, right, just to set them up, and they pay for their advertising budget. So you click on here where it says continue. Once you click on the continue, right, we're retargeting them. You could change this, retarget them. If they have a Facebook page, you can click on the Facebook page, right? If they don't have a Facebook page and they want to pay you for the service, you know, charge them $500. $500, you just do that and just retarget people, right? So if you want to charge them $500 a month, you could do that as well. I'm doing this so I know what I'm talking about. I've been doing this since last year, right? I got businesses running. So make sure you do this, get a part of the game. And there's plenty out here for everybody, right? So you can come on here and you could say, you could be like, hey, I noticed you checked out our facility. All right, facility. Oh my goodness. Hey, I noticed you checked out our facility. We would like to offer you a free consultation. So this right here, call us at whatever, right? This, what I'm doing, we're retargeting the people who visit the websites of the dentist or whatever business. So once you do that and you say, hey, I noticed you visit your website, you're retargeting them because they know. If you realize, if you go on some websites on Google, you see it. If you go on Instagram, you see it. If you go on Facebook, you see it. What do you think they're doing? They're retargeting you. So this is the power, and this is how you make money, because most times people go on website, they don't really check that. So you do that, you put in the headline, free consultation, right? You could do that. So what we can do, we could find free. Let's go to Pixels. Pixels is a place where you can find free stock photos, royalty photos. You can go with dentist, and then once you go to dentist, you click on search. Right? We can do this. We could do this. We could do this. Right? You know, I would use one of these people. You know, click on here. Okay, this is just an ad. So these down here are ads. So the free ones are up here. So you can go with teeth, right? And there we go. So I would click on one, you know, that's a dentist. I would even do this too, right? I would go with boom, because that looks like it's cleaning. And then you could download it, all right? Click on here, free download. Once you download it, this is absolutely free, as I said. Now, you want to copy this photo. Now, 1 second. Copy this photo. And when you copy it and put it, we're going to go back to Facebook. And then what we're going to do, we're going to add a image. So we come on here and we find the photo of the dentist. And it's somewhere here. Where is it? There it is. Click on here and we find it. And then once you click this, you can add it. Add this image. All right, so if you look on the right-hand side, you will see it pops up. All right, so there it is. So you're just retargeting. You're gonna put the company's website in here where it says add a website. Make sure you add the dentist or wherever. Click on learn more, or you can go with apply now, right? Apply now or sign up for free consultation. So if you look on the right side, that's what it looks like. And then once you do that, you make sure you click on whatever pixel that you're using, turn on the pixel, right? Because it's the same pixel. And then you click confirm. I'm not gonna fire it off right now, but you get the drift. I'm just creating this video to show you exactly what to do, but be creative, come up with your own style, do your own thing, and then you're gonna be good to go. So like the video, subscribe, become a part of the family. That was how to make $96 per day using Google in 2020. It's free, it's worldwide. Hope you enjoy this video. Share it with someone who you think it's gonna benefit. Check out my #1 recommendation of how I make more money doing what I do. I have multiple streams of income so you can see what I'm working with and become a part of the family. See you on the next video. Peace.